Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about adjusting your video quality output on Netflix. Now, before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is you open up netflix.com on your browser, and then you will get to your homepage. And once you get to your homepage, what you want to do is on the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. And with that profile icon, there will be a drop-down menu. You click the drop-down or you just hover over it, and then you find the account tab. You click account tab and it will basically redirect you to this page. And under this account tab, there's a section called Profile and Parental Controls, and you select the profile that you want to change the quality output on, and then you select that profile, click the drop down there, and you go down and you will find Playback Settings. So what you want to do is you click Change, and then it'll basically take you to the Playback Settings menu. And here on the data usage per screen, you can basically change exactly what kind of output you need. So you can choose from auto, low, medium, and high. So mine is at high right now, and you can basically pick whatever you want. And then once you choose that, you click save, and it will basically save that video quality output for you. Once all that is done, you will be taken back into account page, and it'll basically say with a tick mark, Playback Settings saved. And that's pretty much it. Now I hope this helped everyone. Thank you so much for watching.